Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, today I'm going to talk about Illumina. It's turning out to be getting into the exciting phase because I think Illumina has come to a point where there is only one way for it to go, and that is up. So I'm going to talk today about what's happening with Illumina. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. The recent strategic maneuvers by Illumina, such as the disposal of Grail and the acquisition of Fluent Biosciences, have injected a bullish momentum into the stock, in my personal opinion. This narrative explores these pivotal moves, the macroeconomic context, the contradictory signals from the bearish put-call ratio, and the shifting analyst expectations. So Grail spin-off and Fluent acquisition, which are Illumina's recent activities, are really a positive step. Its recent disposal of Grail, a company it acquired in 2021 amidst regulatory hurdles, marked a significant shift. It put a lot of heavy load on the company and it could not focus on its core competence. Following this, Illumina, under the new management, has decided to let go of Grail. It has divested from Grail, and it has also gone ahead and acquired Fluent Biosciences to enhance its single-cell analysis and multi-omics offerings, which is a move funded by cash from its resources. So it all looks good right now. Well, the impact of Grail spin-off was that it reduced the regulatory burden and financial burden on Illumina, and it cleared the path for focusing on core competencies and progressing the business further. And the acquisition of Fluent Biosciences has expanded the capabilities of Illumina in single-cell analysis, positioning it to offer cost-effective and user-friendly solutions. These moves are seen as corrective steps following a period of underperformance linked to the overhang of the Grail acquisition and associated issues. If we look at the historical performance and market sentiments, I would say that Illumina stock has significantly underperformed compared to the broader market over the past 3 years. However, the recent strategic moves have instilled renewed confidence among investors and analysts, as can be seen in the way the price chart is moving. And if you look at the stock performance from 2021 to 2023, in 2021 it went up around 3%. In 2022 it was down minus 47%, and in 2023 it was down minus 31%. And the S&P 500 at the same period consistently outperformed Illumina. Now let's have a look at how various analysts have viewed Illumina. Citigroup upgraded Illumina from neutral to buy, reflecting increased confidence. And you will see a whole bunch of analysts who are talking about Illumina in terms of its rating and what action they recommend to their clients, as well as the current price and the target price. So you can have a look at this table. You can pause the video here and check it out. But overall, I would say that in the overall context, like macroeconomic context and the market sentiment, I would say that the current macroeconomic environment presents challenges, including high oil prices and elevated interest rates. Despite these headwinds, Illumina's stock valuation appears to be ready to start its bull run, in my opinion, and trading at 4 times trailing revenues versus a historical average of 8 times. Most of the analysts are projecting a 25% upside potential. At the time that I wrote this script, the put-call ratio was bearish. It was at 1.23. 1.23 put-call ratio indicates a bearish sentiment, and it contradicts the optimistic outlook from based on the recent strategic moves and how we would perceive it. And fortunately, the analysts are also thinking positive instead of looking at the bearish sentiment from the put-call ratio. So I would say that if I was to summarize, I'm just going to read off what we have in the table out here. The analyst expectations for Illumina are evolving and reflecting the impact of Grail spin-off and Fluent acquisitions, and the projected annual revenue increase of 32.56% and non-GAAP EPS projected at 4.53. We have a range of price targets. The average 1-year price target is around 145.18, which indicates a 36.09% upgrade. And diverse analyst ratings with recent upgrades indicate a shift towards a more bullish stance. If you look at this table here, you have RBC Capital, which is still rating the stock at outperform, and its prior target was 249, its current target is 242. Evercore has a target of 175. TD Cohen has a target of 122. Jefferies has a target of 115. And we have Stephens & Co., which is maintaining overweight at 175, which is the current price target. And Scotiabank has a price target of 176. And Baird has got a target of 128, which is a neutral rating. And Barclays has a target of underweight with 100. So if you look at the whole range of targets that we have here, most people believe that, most of the analysts believe that the prices are going to improve for Illumina. The only exceptions are Barclays and Jefferies, who have a target price which is below the current price. So I think overall, over a period of time, I'm expecting all these analysts to upgrade their ratings as we go ahead, because we have got the September rate cut coming in. That's going to be a big help for the entire industry as such. It's going to give a bullish bias to the market. And without the Grail distraction and with the acquisition of Fluent, I think Illumina is all set to focus on its core competence, which is producing better and better genomic sequencing machine consumables and increasing its market across the globe. So with that, my friends, I would like to bring this video to an end. I would like to know from you whether you have any Illumina shares. Personally, I don't have any Illumina shares. I'm also going to make a video on PACB next, because PACB is starting to show some bullish moves, and the share price is very, very low. So there could be an opportunity to make a lot of money out there. But I would look at Sandeep to do a financial analysis on the company's balance sheet to make sure that we don't jump the gun. But before we go, let's have a look at the price chart and see what the technicals are telling us. Here we are in the price chart for Illumina. And as you can see, we are still on the bull channel today. And the bull channel has given us support, this diagonal line of support, this green line that you see here. And we still have resistance from the 200-day exponential moving average, which is this white line out here. And it sits at 126.97. Right now, the share price is 121.06. We can see that the momentum is also pretty good and it's improving. MACD is also bullish, but it's moving towards the signal line. And we have the earnings coming up on 6th of August, where the earnings estimate EPS is at 11.5 cents per share. And the revenue estimate is 1.091 billion. And in the past, you can see that Illumina has met both the revenue as well as the earnings estimate. So I'm hoping nothing less than that at this point of time. And it's going to happen after hours on the 6th of August, which is not too far away. So I think we will consolidate and we'll stay in a higher range. Definitely, I think it's time to buy Illumina. This is my personal opinion, not financial advice. There could be a lot of gains to be made. And as I was speaking about PACB as well, if you look at PACB, it's come down from great heights. So there is a lot of gains to be had, but I am a bit iffy about the financials of PACB because I haven't seen the financials in a long time. And also out here, I would like to draw a line to connect the bottom here. I'm just checking to see if we have a double bottom out here, but I'm not very convinced about it, so I'll let it go. But this is what we have. And would I buy Illumina? Yes, for sure. If I had the money in hand, I will definitely buy Illumina. But at this point of time, I think the AI play is still strong and XXX products are still my favorite because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter to me whether I make money out of genomics or out of AI. I want to make money, and I think FNGU right now is the best play for me, and the next alternative would be CRSP and FNGD. So I'm going to work on those. I'm already invested in NVIDIA, Costco, Walmart, Berkshire, those kind of companies which are heavily positive in my portfolio. So part of my portfolio is just for churning the money and getting returns, and that's what I'm playing on with. So that's my disclosure, my friends, and I'd like to hear from you what you think about Illumina. Do you have it in your portfolio? What are your plans? Do you think the bull run has started for Illumina? With that, I'd like to bring this video to an end. Thanks and have a great day, and bye for now.